we are running. Boom, boom. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V, and in today's video we're just going to play with makeup. Pull your palette out and let us have some fun. Take your palette out, let's have some fun. Going back with my first brush with the first color and just work everything, smooth everything so everything can look fine. No perfection, but just good enough. I am back with the complete look for today, and this is what it's looking like. I am truly loving these little quads. I use the Juvia'S Place Rebel eyeshadow quads, the new one. I use this shimmer from the Honey, and I use this matte from the Ami. These are the two colors I have on my eyes. My lip color is by Juvia'S Place, the Fumi collection, Queen collection. They know I don't think this is available anymore, so double check. It's 2 years old. My blush is from the Masquerade palette eyeshadow. I use this color right here as my blush. That's what I use for blush. My highlighter from my July BoxyCharm. This is what I have right here and right here. Hopefully you can see it. My setting powder was by Kat Von D. I have a little sample, so that's that. Everything else I've used. If you hear noise, it just starts storming right now in the middle of my video. So there's wind, rain, and thunder. I have not seen lightning yet because I'm upstairs. So any noise you hear, that's what it is. And today's word is satisfaction. What does satisfaction mean to you? Let me know in the comments, what does satisfaction mean to you? And again, this is everything, and this is today's eyeshadow look, makeup of the day. Please leave me your comments. Please like and share this video. And if you like my content and you want to subscribe, please do so and hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will receive it. And with all of that said, always remember self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is very, very important, and life is very, very short. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. After this, I have so much work to do. Today I gotta clean up. I need, because over the weekend I just relaxed. So today I need to do cooking, so when my hubby gets home he can have something to eat. So I have to go do that. So I will see you soon, okay? Bye bye. This. Tell me what you're thinking about this look. I am digging it.